Find 2.64 divided by 0.6. So 2.64 would go on the inside, and it's being divided by 0.6. So when we're dividing decimals, we want to make the number on the outside a whole number. So to make this a whole number, we'd have to move the decimal over one place. Whatever we do to that decimal, we have to do the same thing to this decimal on the inside. And then where we move the decimal, we also want to bring it up because that's where it's going to be in our answer. And now we can divide as if we were dividing 0.6 divided by 26.4. So 6 goes into 26 4 times, which equals 24. Subtract, we have 2. Bring down the 4. 6 goes into 24 4 times. 6 times 4 is 24. No remainder. So this is equal to 4.4.